Welcome to our app. We have selected and decided to go for and create an IEC voting app that makes voting much easier for people. Welcome to our step one of the app, which is basically selecting the app from the home or the main home screen of your mobile device. Here we go. So once after selecting the button, the icon on the screen, it then leads you to step 2, which is welcome you to the IEC homepage, and that is basically loading, and that will take us to step 3. In step 3, the app will now welcome you and will ask you for if you're registered with the Department of Home Affairs. Well, in this case, I am registered with the Department of Home Affairs to vote, so I can click it and move on. In step 4, it asks me for my ID and password. This is just for security reasons. So let me enter that in, and we'll go through to the next procedure and step. And my password is, and then after that I have to use the biometric system to proceed. So I'm using my fingerprint as that. Then in step 5 I am welcomed by the home page, and here I'll vote. I'll select the voting process icon or button. This will now lead me to step 6, where I'll have to enter the unique voters code given to me by the Department of Home Affairs when I registered. So let me put in my unique code. And it will then proceed on its own after that you've entered the correct code, and you just wait a bit for it to load. In step 6.1, you're on the home personal main menu, and from there you can either proceed to voting or you can edit your personal profile. In this case, I'll proceed to voting. In the voting section, it gives you a whole list of the different political parties that are registered to be elected in the next election, and the user will have to then decide on which political party to vote for, and then on the right hand side of the box they can click it to then vote for that political party. So I'm going to vote for mine, and we can proceed. In this step, I'll have to then use my biometric system, which is basically my fingerprint, for my application to be approved and to proceed onto the next stage. So let me use. Then in step 7, after the system has approved my application, I can then check on important information about the different types of parties out there. And for example, I'll pick one and we can see what happens. In this final step, it gives you, as you can see, it takes you to the official parties website. Also gives me information about the parties, and this is a Democratic Alliance, and it gives me the leader's name and the different types of people that are working for this party and how long he has been around for. Thank you for listening and watching our video. Hope you enjoyed it, and stay safe and make the right decision.